Perfect. The lights are on. And we're gonna start it up. Okay,
Turn off the lights.
Let's go start it up. See how it start up. That sounds weird.
Alright, maybe we out of gas.
Sound like Donald Duck when he's mad. Okay, it started out good, but the first part it sounded like Donald Duck when he was mad.
Yeah, I still need my fuel pump. That's because of the fuel. The fuel ain't hitting. Alright.
So now we just got we just have to fix the Donald Duck noise. Okay, oops. Oh, nothing.
Just out of the post right.
That's very rusty. Let's see if it will not sound like a Donald Duck. Is it working? Is it working, Daddy?
See if the lights on.
Let me see. Okay. The lights are on. The lights are on. So I only have one door, like two doors, and they have like windows in the back of them. I got windows, and you can roll down the windows, but I think this one is broken and on the other side. And then this little popper thing would reduce. You just have to pop it like that. Pop it open. Let me try. Let me see if I have the other one on the other side. Pop it open.
So now I have to check the alternator because she's starting in neutral but not park. So that's letting me know my neutral control switch is bad. But on top of that, the alternator, I don't know if the alternator bad due to the neutral control switch. It shouldn't affect it, but last time I tried to see if she was gonna stall out or see if the alternator good, I unhooked the battery. Then she cut off for some strange reason. I also bought another alternator, but for some reason, the O'Reilly's I went to, they couldn't test it, so I had to take it to a shop and see what's up. Let her warm up. She is an old car. She's idling now. I think that's the carburetor that's probably causing her want to go out. Nice little floor damage, boy. Nice little floor damage. Laid right up in there. Nice. That's the only thing wrong with the body is that floor over there. I had a good deal. This vast dashboard. Paint on up. Same color as this. Let's go unhook this battery. Unhook the That's what I got. She instantly stalled out. Yeah, that's crazy to me. So let's change out this neutral switch and see what the deal is. Here the ignition switch. All in the front. Right there. Gotta hit that boat. There you go. I don't know where she at, neutral. Let me check something out first. See how this little, with that little line right there. Right underneath that. So I need to know this little line right there. Lined up straight. Lined up straight. So I want to see if I shift the gears that I hit the groove. Because this the groove I'm actually talking about right here. And I had to probably line that up. So the little groove right there I'm talking about. So I'm gonna see if I had to line that up. So let me see. We go shifting in park, neutral. Put it in neutral, fuck it, put it in drive. What we gonna get? We shift it in drive. He's gonna be in the same spot. Let's see. Let's see nothing change. Same spot, the gears don't really matter. Now, let's put it back in park. Back in park. Got people in here. Spy captain. Top. Windows is real filthy. It's a window cleaner. Like these windows off. Got some windows. Windows is filthy. Window cleaners. Usually I have some. That wasn't good. Just ripped that all up. What is that? I'm on for tires. I don't need that today. Got that. Right. Paint brushes. That's out. Got some rim cleaner. I normally have Windex. I guess it's not in this car. You know, I'll keep up with the things. Yeah, so many cars around. Got this thing. That probably come in handy. Tire shine. Get some tire shine, some dirty tires. That'd be funny. Probably got a bathroom pretty soon. That's not a good look. Eating my ass off. Baby. Yep. Gone. Ain't got no Windex. Hope y'all at church on Zoom, where I'm supposed to be. But I'm not right now. So shit, I took out the old one. Got the old one right there. And the new one is placed in it. Tighten the beads it down. Tighten the front down first. This last bolt I took off is gonna be. I don't know what I do with tools. I'm sloppy with the tools. I don't know where this is at. This is 11. Old piece. It got cracks in it. Some oil probably got up in there. A little bit of debris. Caused it to stop working. Let's look at the top portion. I'm gonna paint the top portion, which is right here at the top of it. I'm gonna connect it to the firewall, like so. Very expensive. There you go. Go back to the front. First get the keys. Go to the trunk of the vehicle. Get the battery out. Now we can check to see if the alternator is good or bad. See what the cause was that for. Let's see if we fixed the problem. We're in park right now. The ignition is all kind of fucked up. She cranked up in park. Fix the neutral kill switch, neutral safety switch. That's fixed. Quick, easy, simple fix. 10 to 15 minutes. Let her warm up. Sound pretty good, huh? Like that. Got a lot of car to warm up to catch idle. That's pretty brand new for me. She's old. She's old, really old. Could be the carburetor needed adjustment. disconnect this battery. Why is that happening? So is we running off just battery power or what? Why is that happening? That I don't know. Still got another power to fix.
Quickly, you look Curtis Daniel while motioning at the snap. Run away from the defender.
So shit, man. What's up with it? I gotta update y'all with the 9668 Mustang or whatever. But yeah, I'm trying to put it together. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. Please log on to keep me motivated. I'm gonna stay motivated, but you feel me? Let me know some insights on what to do. Or maybe y'all can refer me to somebody in certain parts. There's some things I ain't even showed y'all. Some things y'all don't even know about in the car. But I am willing to show, and I will show one day. I just got to piece her up. The alternator giving a problem now. The neutral kill little switch. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. It's giving me problems right now. I actually changed that. It worked. I just got to get to this alternator. I don't know if it's a wire problem or is it the alternator. I'm going to hit y'all with an update with the alternator because I have one at the house. First, I got to take it to O'Reilly's to get it checked and make sure it worked because I bought parts from Summit before and the parts didn't work. So this alternator I got, it came from Summit. So I'm going to get it checked out. If it works, hey, I'm going to put it on the car. If it don't work on the car, it's a wire problem. I just got to get the motor running in good shape so I can go get my transmission rebuilt. That's what I want, get it rebuilt, and then I can take her and change a different storage unit. I want an indoor storage, you feel me, so I can really work on it. But yeah, man, I got some shit for y'all. Thanks for watching. For those who watching, hey, keep on staying tuned. Project Buzz.